Hi friends, I hope all of you are safe and fine and staying at home. I'm posting this video to help people who are working on brand names. So this video will help you to strategize and choose a brand name appropriately. So we'll be discussing about the do's and don'ts of selecting a brand name. Let's talk about what not to do while selection of a brand. First thing is that your brand should not be descriptive in nature. When I say descriptive in nature, it means that it should not describe the line of business that you're getting into, either the product line or the service line. Say, for example, I want to open a bakery shop. Now, if I use a brand name which says, say for example, XYZ Bakery or My Bakery or any other name related to bakery, will not be a good idea. Second point, your name should not be generic in nature. So words like India, the country name or state name or surnames or your personal names, which are readily heard by people, should not be used as a brand name. Any word which is having a literal dictionary meaning should not be used as a brand name. So what you have to avoid is, first, it should not be descriptive in nature, and second, it should not be generic in nature. Why am I saying is that because this strategy of selecting a descriptive or a generic name will not help you to have a recall value with your customers. So first thing is, it will not be a very catchy and a memorable name. Second thing is, you will find it difficult to get the domain of the similar brand name. Third point is, you will fall under very high chances of getting into litigation because there will be a conflict between the generic names of your brand name with other people. Now, what to do while choosing a brand name is that it should be distinctive in nature, which means that it should not be similar to any name which is already being registered by somebody or to any name which is well known in category. Second thing is, you can either choose a coined word or an arbitrary word. A coined word is something which is not there, which is not having any kind of a meaning, but you coined it with some kind of ideation. Say for example, Kotak is a coined word. Second strategy is an arbitrary word. Say for example, Apple is a coined arbitrary word. Arbitrary means that the brand name is not directly associated with the line of business that they are into. So choosing a coined or arbitrary word which is distinctive in nature is a very good strategy for brand building. Now, in addition to it, you have to also focus on the font, on the styling and the color combination to add uniqueness to your brands. In addition to that, or you can say a cherry on top of a cake, is that you can actually distinguish your brand from the other entities by adding a slogan into it. So you should also be focusing on slogan strategies. Now, these points which I said that you should be considering while deciding a brand name will help you in easy trademark process. Second is that you will not be into the litigation bracket. And third point is it will help you in your search engine optimization. Now, I get to hear a lot from clients that a generic name will be easy to attract clients because then this word can be easily associated with clients. So that's not the case. Basically, your search engine optimization strategy should differ from your brand strategy. So brand can be, say for example, XYZ. Now you can use the search engine optimization and the query development according to the line of the business. So your brand doesn't need to state what kind of product or service you are into. I hope this video is helpful and you can use these strategies to build a number of brands during this lockdown period. Thank you. Stay safe, stay fine.